Hey guys, so I finally got my Yah'ki Awakening 3 bitters. If you know Yah'ki, you know he's about helping everyone to improve your health and to live longer. So I'm going to take this 3 bitters challenge. So the first bitter number 1, it helps, it says it's powerful herbal compound formula created and ratio to address the lymphatic system and skin. Its astringent properties pulls toxins, parasites, mucus, bad bacteria, fungi, and yeast from the nervous system and the colon. So bitter number 2 is to help cleanse the blood and your organs. And then bitter number 3 is to help cleanse the nervous system and the colon. So right now I have 1 and 2 boiling, because me and my niece are doing this together. And you let them sit for 30 minutes and then boil for 25 minutes. 1 cup of bitters to 16 ounces of water will leave you 8 ounces to drink. You can drink them first thing in the morning or in the evening, and just take it until the bag is gone. So it'll be about 30 days. Okay, so we're doing this 3 bitters challenge. It's me and my niece. So we're gonna taste it. We'll let you know. Here we go. Okay, so we're about to try this 3 bitters. Number 1 for the lymphatic system and for your skin. Okay, so it is bitter. A little bit like tea, but strong. That aftertaste is strong. All right, I need to skill this.
We might need a lemon. We might, a lime or something might help with this.
In between the lemon?
Yeah. You don't have a lime.
Yeah, I got lemons. Let's see.
We're gonna get a lemon, y'all.
Let's see if a lemon will help. Woohoo!
Because this is only 1. And number 3 is supposed to be the worst. But it's supposed to be the best thing for your body. So I'm trusting in it.
Woohoo!
You could taste the elderberry in it. It tastes more like a tea.
Yeah. Number 2 is
This
better.
one, yeah. I agree. More bearable. If you had to put in an order of taste, and I haven't even got the 3 yet, just basing off of what other people saying than what I've learned today, 2 is the better one, better tasting one.
Yeah.
Then 1, and then they say 3 is the worst. But I could see myself getting through this a little bit better.
Yeah. 2, it's like a tea. More like a tea to me. 1 was rough. I had to break the lemons out. But this here, number 2, it's bearable.
So I finally finished the second one, which, like I told y'all, was nowhere near as bad as the first one. But now, you said 3?
Okay. Yeah. Oh
No,
3.
Nervous
Okay.
system and colon.
So 3 cleanses the nervous system and the colon. But I think 1 cleaned the colon already because it was rough. But the smell of this, woohoo! You can tell it came straight from the earth. So we're gonna do this. Bottoms up. Good Lord. Ooh.
No! I didn't even try it. I put it out to my mouth and I said,
taste that.
No.
Taste that. It is number 1 times 5. Taste it. Times 3. It covers your tongue. It covers your teeth. It covers your whole mouth. It's. Ooh, let me have a lemon. You only gotta swallow. Kill it. Oh my Lord. I've been delivered. If this don't heal you. Oh. Okay, so I'm still here with bitters number 3. As you guys seen, it made my niece throw up. She couldn't take it. It is like bitter number 1 to the 10th power. But I gotta do it. If you are not serious about your health, don't even mess with Yah'ki, because he will heal you. This will heal you. Oh, here we go again. Ooh. Ooh. And make sure that you measure out your 8 ounces. Because the first cup that I did, the bitter number 1, I drank too much. So measure out the 8 ounces. Okay. I'm gonna have to nurse this. But I'll be back tomorrow with the update.